To set up your post and panel barricades, you must have at least 2 stanchions, 4 post collars, and 1 display panel. The first step would be to take your 2 stanchions and attach 1 post collar to each stanchion near the bottom of the post. To align the bottom collar correctly, we follow a 4-step process. Before starting, make sure you remove the screw on the side of the collar to open the collar up. The first step is to place the collar at the bottom of the stanchion and close the collar. Once placed, you now want to draw a mark on the stanchion with a pen or pencil where the stanchion meets the top of the post collar. This will create a mark on the stanchion that is approximately the same height as the collar. Step 2. Raise the collar up so that the bottom of the collar aligns with the mark you created on the stanchion. This will align the collar perfectly for your display panel. Step 3. Rotate the collar so that the 4 inserts on the collar align with the splines at the top of the stanchion. Lastly, step 4. You can now reinsert and tighten the screw on the post collar to secure the collar in place. This 4-step process will ensure that your display panel is placed at the perfect height on your post. Before continuing, it is important that you inspect the lugs on the side of the display panel and make sure that the lug that is closer to the edge of the panel is inserted into the bottom post collar. This is to ensure that the display panel will align correctly on the stanchion. With the post collars in place and the display panel inspected, you now want to insert the bottom lug on the display panel into the slot provided on the collars. We recommend tilting the panel and inserting each lug at a time to easily place the panel into the collar. This will support the display panel and help to create the barricade. Lastly, you now want to place the top post collars onto the post and over the top lug on the panel. One thing to note is that this post collar will be placed upside down compared to the previous post collar. This is to secure the post collar in place and prevent anyone from lifting the panel out of the collars. Once in place, you can close the post collar around the post and tighten the screw to secure the collar in place. With the top collar secured, you have now completed your post and panel barricade assembly.